Okay, how do you make strawberry jam with basically no added sugar? The only sugar is going to be the natural carbohydrates from strawberries. So I'm taking a cup of sliced strawberries and I'm going to put that in a bag. So once it is in a Ziploc bag, okay, this is going to be the quickest strawberry jam ever. You're just going to mash that up. You can take a rolling pin and mash it, or I cannot find my rolling pin, to be honest. I think we might have thrown it away to get a new one. So you can always take a can and mash it up really good. Okay, and now that you have it mashed up, you're gonna add a little bit of lemon. Just squeeze it in. You can always add more. Then to taste, we're gonna put 3 drops of stevia. Okay, mash it up. And then put this in the saucepan until simmer it, and then heat it to a boil and cover it until it gets 220 degrees. And then we're gonna put it in a mason jar to cool. If you want to taste it first, just to see if you want to add more lemon or you want to add more stevia, always do that. So once it's to that boil, you're just going to go ahead and put it in the mason jar. So there are so many things that you can do with jam. You can add it into your yogurt. You can put it as a pan sauce for meat. You can literally shake it into any cocktail. You can put it on top of pancakes, make popsicles with it, or even add it as salad dressing or to another salad dressing to make it a little bit different. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy.